Choranawari, rewritten news script. Good news and bad news on the COVID-19 vaccine front. Let's start with the good. After 4 years of clinical trials demonstrating safety and minimal side effects, the FDA has approved a new COVID-19 vaccine from Novavax. The data is clear, no major concerns, no black box warnings, and full regulatory approval. In short, it's passed every hurdle. The Novavax vaccine is ready for rollout, but here's the catch and the bad news. Despite FDA approval, the public won't have broad access to it. Under current policy from the Department of Health and Human Services, now led by Robert F. Kennedy Jr., access to the Novavax vaccine is being restricted. Only individuals with at least one diagnosed underlying medical condition that puts them at high risk for complications from COVID-19 are eligible to receive it. This means that unless you can medically prove you're high risk, you're not allowed to get the vaccine, even if you want to, even if you're a caregiver, even if you're trying to protect someone else. This raises serious questions. We've seen during the pandemic that many people with no prior health conditions still got severely ill. I've known several personally, including a family member, who ended up on a ventilator without any pre-existing conditions. She wasn't elderly, she had no diagnosed issues, and yet her life was nearly lost to COVID-19. According to this new policy, someone like her wouldn't be eligible for this new vaccine. Even caregivers for vulnerable populations are excluded if they themselves don't meet the high-risk criteria. This ignores the reality that anyone with lungs is potentially at risk. Long COVID, lung scarring, and other complications are still being studied, and we're far from understanding their full impact on healthy individuals. So why limit access to a fully approved, clinically tested vaccine? That's the core question. It's frustrating to see science and medicine sidelined by policy decisions that don't appear to be rooted in data or public health logic. What's the point of approving a vaccine if people can't access it? Who benefits from restricting it? Now, to be fair, it's unclear whether this directive came directly from RFK Jr. himself or is simply an internal departmental policy. But as the head of Health and Human Services, the responsibility ultimately falls on him. If he disagrees with this move, he has the power to change it, or at the very least, speak out against it. Until that happens, we're left asking, why? Why block access to a tool that could save lives? Ting.